Yo, what's up, guys? Wanted to try something a little different today. I want to do something more of a vlog style video today. I've been looking at my past videos, and although food challenges are fun to do, I feel like they don't really express my true character or personality. So I'm going to try some vlog type of videos today. But Christmas is just around the corner. We got a lot of errands to run, a lot of things to buy. And one thing I have here is something called, this was given from the city of Pasig, or Mayor Vico Soto. It is called Pasmaskong Handog. For those of you who are not from Pasig, and if you ever wondered what's inside the Pasig relief goods, about to show you right now. Alright, so first thing is, we have a note here from Mayor Vico Soto. He's doing an excellent job in his first year of being mayor. Just a little note from him: para sa pamilyang Pasigueño, hindi man naging madali para sa atin ang taong 2020 dahil sa pandemya. And he just goes on and on. In the end, he says, sa iyong walang humpay na tulong at suporta, makakaasa kayo na mas higit pa nating paghuhusayan, sorry, please excuse my Tagalog, ang panglilingkod at bawat Pasigueño. Maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. So this is just a little note from the mayor. And then we have lots of stuff actually. Meatloaf. He has 3 cans of meatloaf. Century tuna. Carne Norte. We have a big party pack of spaghetti and some rice. I think this is about 2 kilos, maybe 1 kilo, I'm not sure. Then he has some mixed fruit, some cheese, condensed milk, and nata de coco, so you can make some fruit salad, I think. So not only do you get dinner prepared for Christmas, you also get dessert. And you also get a Pasig mask, which I think is awesome, just because it has the Pasig logo on it. And it's made by this company, popular company here in the Philippines. And you get a cool eco bag to hold everything in. And I just wanted to mention, look at this. This is what I love about Vico Soto. It has Pasig's name, and so you're kind of proud of the city of Pasig. And it doesn't have his name anywhere. Actually, none of these things have his name anywhere. As you know, a lot of politicians like to put their name just to remind people that who's doing the good deed for them. But Vico doesn't care. He can care less. He just puts Pasig on there. So good on ya, Mr. Vico Soto. And what else? What else did I want to mention? Oh, let me just get a view of this. So here's a view of everything that is inside the Pasmaskong Handog. So not bad, right? So there you go. Lots of good stuff from the city of Pasig and the Pasig government. For those of you who are not from the Philippines or are not familiar with what this is, basically Handog means it's a preparation for Christmas. And a lot of people here in the Philippines, they can't afford to have this simple meal, right? And so the government knows this, and they try to help out however they can, especially during this time of COVID-19. And this, believe it or not, this small thing right here, this small meal is going to help a lot of families here in Pasig. It makes their whole Christmas, honestly, because they can't even afford these simple essentials for Christmas. And so that's it. If you're ever wondering what was inside one of these relief goods, there you go. surprisingly, it's not that busy today here at the mall. There is a long line, however, outside. A lot of people don't have this. It's called the Pasig Pass. The government here, local government, came up with this contact tracing solution. Every mall in Pasig requires you to have a Pasig Pass. And so I suspect that a lot of people outside waiting in the queues are not from Pasig. And it's innovative and it's simple. Guys, check this out. We're at a store that sells PackSafe bags. You guys don't know this, but I own 2 PackSafe bags and I love them. They're good for vloggers and travelers. And we're thinking about getting my brother one for Christmas and a third one for me. So I'm just checking them out here at Urbanized. These are the safest bags to have because they have locking mechanisms that make it hard for people to break into your bag. I don't really like the shape of it. It feels like a purse, but honestly, I'm going more for utility this time around. And it's perfect for all the things I need to do while vlogging. It's a parang
sling bag. Sling bag, and then you can set as a backpack.
Oh, convertible. Wow, that's cool. I like that. Wow, that's awesome. Oh, that's a good idea.
Kit backpack na.
Yeah. That's cute and it's a perfect good size. So yeah, guys, if you're interested in PackSafe bags, visit Andrew here at Ayala Feliz Urbanized.
If you have a time, feel free to drop by here at Urbanized, please.
There you go.
Social media account.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you. See you.